I have a few boring blank spaces around my house, and I wanted to brighten them up with the help of GOVEE. GOVEE neon rope lights are easy, fun, and allow endless possibilities for design. These rope lights come with everything I need to add some personality to my walls. They're soft and flexible and come with a simple wall outlet and switch. The lights come with a few mounting options. These bend clips will allow me to shape the lights into whatever design I can come up with. There are also straight clips, and both have a strong adhesive on the back. This is going to be a heart for my office wall. I have a rough outline of the shape laid out, and now I'm going to start adding it to the wall. The clips make this super easy, and I can shape this into a really fun and creative heart. Now that the shape is up, it's time to set some lighting effects. The app gives me 64 lighting presets, each with dynamic colors and effects. I want to add some backlighting to these shelves to give them a fun glow while I work. I opted for the 16-foot strand of lights and grabbed some bend clips and some straight clips to wind the lights around the shelves. Now that they are in place, I can use the app to set a lighting effect. The GOVEE app has a lighting effects tool powered by AI. It uses text, voice, and image data to generate dynamic and responsive light scenes. Just talk to the lighting bot within the app to create custom scenes. Then save them to use later. These lights can be controlled by the GOVEE app, Matter, Alexa, and Google Assistant, making it easy to set lighting effects. Alexa, turn on the playroom light. Through these smart controls, you can turn the lights on or off, adjust brightness, and change colors, all with your voice. Alexa, make the playroom light brighter. Alexa, turn off the playroom light. In my daughter's room, I want to put rope lights around her mirror. This is an easy install using a few bend and straight clips. There's a cool shape mapping feature where I can take a video of the lights to map out their exact position. Then I can control the lights by section, creating a wide range of effects. I love that there are so many effects and control options for her to use, including syncing the lights to music. She can operate the lights with her app or her smart device. Echo, turn on the mirror.
Okay.
Echo, turn off the mirror.
Okay.
The shape options are endless with these neon rope lights. They are flexible and durable. I like that the clips come with a strong adhesive back, but there are also screws in each box to secure the clips to the wall if the adhesive isn't right for the surface. They really can be used almost anywhere in your home. My blank walls are now filled with personality and incredible lighting effects that are really easy to control. Thanks to GOVEE for sponsoring this video.
What if I told you there was a way to light up and give some life to your kitchen without spending a lot of money or a lot of time? First thing you got to do is head down to the hardware store and grab you some command strips. These are ones made specifically for holding rope lights. They're really easy to use. All you got to do is clip off the clips. They come just bundled up together. They're easy to take apart. And then they come with some really good adhesive strips that go in the back of the clips. Just push those on there and hold them in place for a little bit. It's time to put them onto the cabinet. You want to space these every 1 to 2 feet. Once you get them all on there and put them in place, make sure you let it sit for about 30 minutes. You don't want to start putting your rope light on right away. Again, they're going to go on the sides, anywhere you're going to run the rope, including the bottom of the cabinets. That's going to give it a nice glow, especially what we're looking for. Once we get all of these in, we're going to actually take our rope light and put it in the clips. This rope light is made by GOVEE, and it's great because it's got a wonderful app you can use. All you got to do is take the rope light and clip it into the clips. Bend it around, and it's really flexible, so it goes up and under everywhere you need. And I'm going to go ahead and put my benches back in, open up the app, and get it started. Once it loads up, it's ready to go. You can pick so many different scenes that you want to use. In fact, you can actually get the mood ready based on a holiday. Once you get it, there it is, a nice glow. And when the lights go off, it gives you a nice night light so you're not stubbing your toes walking through the kitchen at night. Now, take this. You can actually pick a theme based on a holiday. Go ahead and scroll on down, and let's say we want to choose Christmas or Valentine's Day. Watch this. It's going to give you a nice pink glow. Thank you for watching Home Talk, and we'll catch you next time.